I'm the girl with lots of backpacks. Yes, I am. I'm the vegan girl. The FT4 vegan girl. I'm Marina Mares. Maine's a lonely place to be vegan. I'm the vegan Physis. I'm the sentient vegan. And I will eat raw all day, so I can raw. I'm awake raw can roll, and I also can eat fruit until 4, then eat a salad and eat cooked food, because my loving mate likes to eat cooked food a lot. So we have to come in the middle and have that common ground sometimes, you know. But hey, as long as we're vegans, we're still doing a lot of good things and being responsible towards the planet.